Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and while I love a nice, intense workout as much as the next girl, sometimes my approach to fitness is just a little more relaxed. I have been reading about these vibration plates and how good they are to add into your exercise routine, and I just had to check it out. One of the reasons why I like this vibration plate from Eilison is that it has 5 different pre-programmed modes to it for different fitness levels, but then it also has a manual mode so you can control the workout that you want. It kind of wobbles back and forth, and it's something that I have really grown to appreciate because I feel like it really helps fire all of those tiny little muscles that you don't often think about working out and that really help you in your stability and in your balance. One of the reasons that I became interested in the vibration plates is because it's supposed to help support your lymph system. So something that I like to do is to sit or stand on the vibration plate for about 15 minutes and go through one of the programs. And I always feel nice and refreshed and energized after I'm done. And I like that I can feel the effectiveness without even having to work out a sweat. Another way that I like to use this vibration plate is holding a plank because it really helps to strengthen these shoulder muscles that have gotten weak and also help to strengthen my core. The plate does have grips on it, so it can be difficult on your hands or on your bare feet if you're not used to it. So I would recommend putting a towel over it. This has been a fun addition to my exercise routine and to my home gym, and I've really enjoyed it. And that's my point of view.